we learned about the four forms of present tense. Now, let us discuss what is past tense. Like present tense, here also in past tense, we have four different forms. They are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. First, let us begin with simple past tense. Simple past tense is the most basic form of past tense. If the event happened at some point in the past, we use simple past tense. And here you have to mention the time of the past action. Its formula is subject plus V2 plus object, did plus subject plus V1 plus object, subject plus didn't plus V1 plus object, didn't plus subject plus V1 plus object, WH plus did plus subject plus V1 plus object, why didn't plus subject plus V1 plus object. For example, the positive statement is I came yesterday. Here, if you apply the formula V2 is equal to did plus V1, the second form of the verb, that is came, will become did plus come. So, the yes or no type question will be, did I come yesterday? The negative statement is, I didn't come yesterday. Next, the negative yes or no question is, didn't I come yesterday? Positive WH question is, how did I come yesterday? Negative Y question is, why didn't I come yesterday? Next is past continuous tense. In order to convey the past temporary actions, that is, if the event happened in the past and went on for a period of time, we use past continuous tense. The formula for past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus V4 plus object, was were plus subject plus V4 plus object, subject plus wasn't, weren't plus V4 plus object, wasn't or weren't plus subject plus V4 plus object, WH plus was were plus subject plus V4 plus object, why wasn't, why weren't plus subject plus V4 plus object. Let us make the sentences using this formula. We were baking cake. Were we baking cake? We weren't baking cake. Weren't we baking cake? When were we baking cake? Why weren't we baking cake? Next, past perfect tense. If the event happened in the past, was stopped because of some other event, we use past perfect tense. In simple words, the past perfect tense is used for saying or talking about two past events. Say for example, imagine when you went to your friend's house at 11 a.m. Your friend went out at 10 a.m. itself. These two sentences are the past events. So, in this case, you have to use the past perfect tense. So, the correct form of the above sentences will be: when I went to my friend's house at 11, my friend had gone out at 10. Here, we use only two forms of sentences, that is, positive statement and positive yes or no question. Its formula is subject plus had plus V3 plus object, had plus subject plus V3 plus object. For example, he had gone out. Had he gone out? Finally, to say an action which started in the past and went on for a period of time in the past and ended in the past itself, we use past perfect continuous tense. We usually use this form of tense for the purpose of biodata. Only positive statement is commonly used here. Its formula is subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus object. Example: she had been working in school from 2010 to 2019. Let us learn all these four forms of past tense relating with corona. First, in simple past tense, coronavirus affected most people. Did coronavirus affect most people? Coronavirus didn't affect most people. Didn't coronavirus affect most people? When did coronavirus affect most people? Why didn't coronavirus affect most people? Next comes past continuous tense. People were staying indoors in India. Were people staying indoors in India? People weren't staying indoors in India. Weren't people staying indoors in India? Who were staying indoors in India? Why weren't people staying indoors in India? Then, in past perfect tense, I had weared the face mask when I went out. Had I weared the face mask when I went out? Finally, in past perfect continuous tense, she had been enduring in self-isolation for the past 2 weeks. Stay home, stay safe.